Hey guys, what's up? It's Barkut here, and in this video I'll be covering how to write Google Ads headline and descriptions to get better CTR. Watch this video until end and you will get the idea how I write that copy to get this kind of CTR. So before writing the ad copy, what I generally suggest people, just check what competitors are using, like what types of things your competitors are using in terms of ad copy and landing page, so that you can get the idea from them. This is the first thing. And second is you need to break down your ad copy in three pieces. One should be the keyword focused on the number one, the position one, and one should be the value prop. Any types of like value prop, or why should people choose you, your company, or maybe your client's company. You need to mention on the line 2, the headline 2. And third should be a call to actions, a proper call to actions. So this is the 3-step I follow in terms of writing the headline, and same thing I follow writing the description as well. So let me explain what I typically do. So let's say this is the ad for the drain cleaning company, or maybe drain cleaning ad group. So this is the landing page, you need to place on the final URL path, and on the display path you just need to do the drain cleaning, because this is a drain cleaning ad group. That's why I am just using a drain cleaning. So if it's a general plumbing ad group, so I will probably write plumbing company or some kind of things, or maybe plumbers near me on the display path. So I'm just leave it here right now, drain cleaning. So in terms of headlines, you have 15 headlines in responsive search ad plus 4 descriptions, so you need to fill out all of these things. So first is, as I mentioned, that it should be keyword focused. So this is a drain cleaning ad group, right? So I am just using drain cleaning company, and I will pin it on the position 1 for sure, and on the position 2 it should be like $59 drain cleaning services. It's a kind of value prop, it's offer. I will use it on the position 2. And in position 3, see us in 30 minutes is a good headline. You can use it on the position 2 or position 3, both. So for now I am just using it on the position 3. And here I have couple of headlines, I just wrote down. So what I'll do, so I'll just copy from here, 100% free in-person estimate, and I will paste it here. And of course it should be position 3, because my clients provides the in-person free estimate, that's why. And call to schedule services, it's fine. I will just hit pin position 3. And I need some local plumber that you can trust is a good headline. I'm just pasting here, and it should be position 2 for sure. And I will use some drain cleaning, or like my keyword focused headlines. So I'll just click on the more ideas. You can see there are a couple of ideas you can find out here probably. No, not really. So I will cleaning in Dallas, or maybe your locations, like drain cleaning in Dallas. I will just hit on one, or maybe, or not drain cleaning, I think drain cleaner plumber, I can use it, or maybe drain cleaning plumber Dallas without the in. Drain cleaning plumber Dallas, position 1. And on position 2, maybe I need to check my keywords here. Click on the show more, plumbing drain, clogged drain services. I can use it, clogged drain services nearby, clogged, because this is the keyword I am using on the ad group level. Services nearby, I can pin it on the headline 1 for sure. And for position 2, I need couple of headlines. I think I need 7 to 8 headlines more, so I will use it here. So I am just copy and paste from here. Don't overpay elsewhere. I will just in the position 2, because this is a kind of value prop. Upfront pricing, no hidden fees, is a good headline. I will use on the position 2. And fix your plumbing emergency, it's a good headline, though it's a drain cleaning, but I can use it like fix your plumbing, or maybe drain emergency, something like this. Maybe I can use it drain emergencies instead of plumbing. It's more relevant. I can use it on the position 2 and position 3, but for now I'm just using it position 2. 5-star all day. Let's say if your client have lots of reviews, you can write down like 900 plus, 1000 plus, whatever the number is, you can mention the number here. But for now I'm just using it like 500 plus 5-star reviews or something. I'll just position 2. And position 2, maybe I can use it on license, bonded and insured. This is a good headline for sure. I can use it on position 2. So if you have questions where I got this, like all of these headlines, so I do have one video in this channel how you can set up a Google ad for a plumbing business. So if you want to really learn Google ad, how you can set up Google ad for a plumber, you can watch this video. I will link this video in the description so that you can watch it. And on that video I described all of these things where I found P or maybe ad groups breakdown. You can watch it. Once you watch that video, you will have the clear understanding and the idea where I got all of this headline and descriptions. So let's get back to the video here. So and in terms of one, I need to use one more: drain plumber, drain cleaning, maybe best drain services. Best drain services nearby, I can use it, and it should be position 1 for sure. And I need one more headline, so which one I can use it? Same day emergency services. This is a good headline, I missed it. Should be position 2. So I think I am done with the headlines. And in terms of descriptions, what I typically do, I also pin the descriptions on position 1 and position 2. So you can see trusted plumber providing 24-hour emergency services, plumbing services, call us today. So this is position 1, but this is a drain cleaning ad group, so I need to do something related to the drain cleaning. So let me find out here if I can find any types of drain cleaning things. Trusted plumber providing 24-hour emergency plumbing services, call us today. Call trusted drain plumber, I can use it. Trusted drain plumber, drain plumber providing 24 emergency drain services, because it's a drain cleaning ad group, right? That's why I'm just like doing something or adding some phrases so that it relevant to our ad copy, it's relevant to our landing page, because we will be using a dedicated landing page for the drain cleaning, right? Trusted drain plumber providing 24-hour emergency drain services, call us today. Or maybe call for first services, call for first drain cleaning. Can I use it? No, I think I can't. Call for first services, I think it's fine. Position 1. And budget friendly expert plumbing services from local Dallas plumber, because this client is from Dallas, that's why I'm just using a Dallas plumber. And for now we can use it, call now or something, like is position 2. And we need 2 more descriptions. Let's say this one is fine, we can use it. Position 2, no job is too big or small, ask about our savings, discounts and current promos, call now. We can use it on position 2. I think I will remove it, the call now, from here, because it's kind of redundant on every headlines or descriptions. Call now, it's kind of weird. I think it's fine. I can use it on the position 1. Our high quality plumbing services will save you energy time. Our high quality drain cleaning services, of course. This is a drain cleaning ad group, right? Our high quality drain services. No, I think high quality drain cleaning services will save you time, more energy, schedule today. I would say call now, probably it's fine. Then I need to remove from here as well, call now, I think it's fine. And I need to use on position 1. So yeah, we all done. I think you got my point, how I approach or how I write the ad copy to get better CTR. See, we are pinning the headlines, but if you pin the headlines, your ad distance should be low. But see, our ad distance is good because we are doing the things correctly. We know what we are doing, right? So that's why our ad distance is good. Of course, CTR is a huge factor nowadays. So if your CTR is good, there is a high chance you can outrank all of your competitors in terms of ad rank. If you don't know what is ad rank, so there is a term called ad rank. It's based on your CTR, it's based on the landing page experience, based on your keywords, based on your like budget, everything, like what bidding you are using. There are lots of things actually, like Google's use ad rank as a factor when it comes to the like show your ad to the people, the real people or the customers. That's why I'm just using this tactic. So I think you can use this tactic as well to improve your ad scores plus increase your CTR, and always just make sure that write ad copy for the human, for the customers, for the clients. Do not write ad copy for the machines. So try to write the ad copy for the human, try to write the ad copy for your potential customers. So if you like this video, press the like button of this video. Feel free to subscribe this channel. If you have any questions regarding the ad copy, regarding the Google ad, any types of questions, feel free to ask below, or you can reach out to me, or if you want me to build a campaign for you from scratch, I'm happy to do it for you. So just let me know, or just reach out to me. You can find all of this contact details on this video description. So I think I am done today, and I will see you in the next one. So have a great day. Bye bye.